First step, fix the two parts of Grandline posts together. Install the posts according to plan. Install the panel support bracket. Mix and pour concrete to secure the posts. Apply liquid nails to the panel capping and insert capping to the bottom of the first panel. Install the first panel, slide down between the Grandline posts. Install the panel joining strips in the space provided in the bottom panel. Install the top panel by sliding between the posts. Use the panel joining strips to correctly position the panels. Apply liquid nails to the top panel capping channel and install to the cap of the panel. Install the post caps. To achieve a quality rendered look to your fence, apply your chosen exterior self-priming paint finish.